All right, so the next step now will be your eyeshadow. This part of the video is perfect for those of you who are new to makeup, or maybe you just want to make sure you're doing it the right way. So let's get into that part of the video. What I like to use as an eyeshadow primer is the Maybelline Infallible concealer. I've had this for a long time. And it's not even finished yet, but I know it's getting to the end of its life now. You want to take a compact brush or a blending brush for this part, whichever. You can even use a concealer brush, that's also okay. And you want to blend out this color, and you want to go up to the brow bone where you can either tap the concealer like you see me doing, or blending it like this. Whichever is more comfortable for you, you do. I'm just gonna blend out this so that we don't look weird on the corners. All right, so now you're going to set this concealer. But let me tell you this, a lot of times people would probably ask you, or at this time you might wonder why a concealer and not a eyeshadow primer. I prefer a concealer because to me, eyeshadow primers, they don't pick up colors as vibrant as a concealer does. That's why I prefer a concealer. Now, if you have a concealer or a primer, eyeshadow primer that picks up your colors really, really good, hey, let me know in the comment section. But I prefer this because most of the times if you're a woman of color and you have hyperpigmentation on your eyes, the concealer does a better job covering that up. If you're fairer or more medium tone, sometimes you might have veins or redness on your eyes, and concealer does a better job covering that up. So I'm going to go ahead and set this. You can set it either with a loose powder or a compact powder. I prefer a compact powder. I prefer a compact powder because I have these, and I'm a person that I will use everything out of a makeup that I buy. So I can't use this, of course, because these are too light for my skin tone. So I use them to set concealers. And they've done very good jobs. And also I've used them to do eyeshadow looks as well. Easy and simple. All right. So that's what you want to do. This is your blank canvas. We're going to do a very simple, easy eyeshadow look. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be using this MAC Compact. It is Connecting Color Eyeshadow Bronze Influence is what it's called. So I'm going to start with this color. I love to apply a base color, and the reason is because when you do, it just gives you more of a flawless eyeshadow look. And I'm doing this from the lid all the way up to that brow or that eye socket. This is just going to give it more of like a definition to the eyes. And as you can see, I'm not being perfect with it. I can apply this all over. I'm not being precise. I'm just applying the color. All right, now I'm gonna go in with that color right here. That's more of like a grayer tone. This is perfect for you guys who want more like a smokier eyeshadow look, but you don't want it to be too smoky, just enough to give you some color. This is the perfect eyeshadow look to do that. And if you notice, if you're a beginner with makeup, this brush that I'm using is from Dibs. It's literally perfect for like simple eyeshadow looks because I'm just using both sides, and I've applied all the colors that I need on this eyeshadow look. I got a waterproof eyeliner, and I'm gonna go as close to the lash line as possible. I'm gonna take that same dip brush that I had earlier, and I'm gonna use that same gray color, gray tone, and I'm going to apply it right on that dark eyeshadow. It's gonna give me a smokier base, but also softening that color as well. Because remember, this is beginner friendly, and it's a color that it's a makeup look that we want to use for any and every occasion. So we want to be professional, but we also want to look beautiful too. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom lash line. Dark eyeliner. I want to put it more in the waterline. Take that same gray tone that we're doing, and we're going to smoke this out. Again, it's just going to really create that softer effect to the eye. All right. I'm going to go ahead, apply mascara, put on false lashes, and I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. All right, guys, so this is the final look. It's a very, like I said, beginner friendly makeup, very polished, nice looking, not over the top. And if you guys learned something from this video, then go ahead, like it, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that I share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.